Good morning everyone.
My name is Mariana Pianitan Bate and
My name is Teresia Widiawati Oje
from class 11A. In this video presentation, we will discuss a topic that is very common among students today, which is the use of smartphones at school. Nowadays, many students bring smartphones to school. Some people believe that smartphones are very helpful for learning because students can easily search from information and support their studies.
However, others think that a smartphone can distract students and disrupt the learning process in the classroom. Therefore, in this presentation, I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of us smartphones at school. I hope this presentation can help us understand both sides of this topic. So, let's begin discussion.
Good morning, Tasya.
Good morning, Intan.
Today, we would like to talk about the use of smartphones in the school. As we know, almost every student has a smartphone now. But the question is, should students be allowed to use smartphones in the school?
That's very interesting because in my opinion, smartphone can sometimes become a distraction in the classroom. Many students use their phones to play games or open social media during the lesson.
Yes, I think this is true. But I think smartphones can also be very helpful for students. For example, we can use them to search for information on the internet, to read learning materials online.
I agree that smartphone can help students find information quick. However, not all students use them for learning. Some students pay more attention to their phones than to teachers.
That is why students need to learn how to use smartphones responsibly. If we use them in the right way, smartphones can actually support our learning.
Can you give example?
Of course. For example, when we do not understand a topic, we can search for explanation or watch educational video on our phones.
That's true. I sometimes watch learning videos on my phone when I study at home.
Exactly, technology can make learning easier and more interesting for students.
So, maybe the problem is not the smartphone itself, but how students use it.
Yes, I agree with that. That is why schools should make clear rules about using smartphones during class.
For example, students can only use their phones when the teacher allows it.
And students should use their phones for educational purposes, not playing game during the lesson.
If students can follow the rules, smartphone can become a useful tool in education.
So, in conclusion, smartphones have both advantages and disadvantages in school. If we use them wisely and responsibly, they can help us learn better. Thank you for listening, Tasya.
Thank you, Nita. In closing, the use of smartphone at school has both advantages as disadvantages. Smartphone can be very helpful for students because they make it easy to find information, support learning, and give educational research well. With smartphones, students can search for materials, watch learning videos, and ask educational applications that help them understand lesson better. However, smartphone can also become a distraction if they are not asked properly. Some students may use their phones to open social media, play games, or watch video during class. This can reduce their concentration and make difference for the to focus on the lesson.
Therefore, the most important thing think is how students use smartphones responsibly. Instead of completely banning smartphones at school, it may be better for school to create clear rules about when and how smartphones can be used with proper guidance from teacher and discipline for students. Smartphones can become useful tools that support the learning process. As students, we also need to understand that technology should be used in a positive way. Smartphones should help us learn, not distract from our education. If we can use technology wisely, it will give us many benefits for our future. Finally, we hope this presentation can help everyone understand both the positive and negative sides of using smartphones at school. Thank you very much for attention.